I'm caught up sitting at the bar having drinks, and I'm getting tipsy and it's making me think about you. But sometimes I need that space for myself, cause you seem angry, thinking wrong about me. When I'm with my homies, we just sipping, conversating. Girl, stop complaining, you know I'm about to lose my mind. I just wanna chill, I wanna chill, I just wanna chill with my homies, girl. Can you chill? Oh yeah. I'm blowing up my phone and just keep it real. I just wanna chill.
Flashing light, so I gave it a swipe. Open up to see you complaining about me being gone for the last 2 nights. I ain't picking up your calls no more, just gonna let you feel paranoid. Said it is what it is, I'm sorry. I've been through my life already, blowing up my phone. Maybe then I come back home, but for now I'm sipping. You're overthinking, better stop tripping over nothing.
I wanna chill.
Oh, yeah.
I just wanna chill with my homies, girl. Can you chill? Oh yeah. I'm blowing up my phone and just keep it real.
Why you always yelling over me? You always trying to get a hold of me. Said I'm used to all the things you did to me. It ain't the younger me, baby, it's the older me. Drove from the west side to the south side, linked up with connects and the Duckles live. I'm only coming back, baby, if you stay right. Cause I know what you like, girl, I'm just sipping, conversating. You're the only one complaining, baby. I'm about to lose my mind.
I just wanna chill. I wanna chill. I just wanna chill with my homies, girl. Can you chill? I'm blowing up my phone and just keep it real. I just wanna chill.
Said you don't have a guy. How can I know you feel like? Oh baby, I can see so much in ya. Oh baby, won't ya? Let me love ya. Ooh, you're not meant to be lonely. Can't you see that I'm starving? Every little thing about you. Girl, I swear you're an angel, my dream and reality. You are a beauty queen, finest thing I've ever seen. I wanna rock with you. You're not meant to be lonely.